I be getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad.
What's up, Wealth Babe? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, feel free to go ahead and enter the 500 subscriber milestone giveaway for a chance to win $50. I will put the entry criteria in the description box below, but there will also be a card linked above so that you can check out the video where I talk about entering the 500 subscriber milestone giveaway. So yes, I hit 500 subscribers. Thank you all for helping me get there. I want to repay you by doing the $50 giveaway. Now I will be announcing the giveaway winner on Monday, July 6th. So stay tuned for that video to see if you won. If you are new, welcome to the channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and also click the bell to turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on any wealth building content. You too can also enter the 500 subscriber milestone giveaway. So again, check out the description box below so that you can see the entry criteria, and again, it will be announcing the winner on Monday, July 6th. In today's video, I do want to talk about finally owning a full share of the Nike stock. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So first things first, I do want to take you through the history of my Nike stock purchases. So to do that, I'm going to scroll down on the screen and go and view the activity, and I'm going to click view all. So you'll see that right now there are 18 trades or dividends, and it shows that there's $99 invested. Now these 18 transactions are encompassing of trades and dividends, and the $99 is inclusive of the dividends that I earned as well as the money that I put into the stock market. So I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom so that we can start when I started to invest in Nike on Cash App. So you'll see that my very first transaction was November 18, 2019, which was just $1. I believe this was actually the first share that I bought, or the fractional share that I bought on Cash App. In general, I was very scared because I didn't think Cash App was legitimate, but I'm happy to know that, you know, it's a legitimate source by now because I've done some more research, and obviously I put a lot more money in, so by now I do trust it. So then I put in $9 and then $10 and then $20, and that was all in 2019. And then early of 2020, so January 3rd, I earned 3 cents from a dividend payout, and that was paid out to me by Nike, obviously. So you'll see in January is when we started the investing challenge on Cash App on this channel. If you've been with me for that long, we were doing a investing challenge from January through February, so just 1 month, and this is where I put in these $2 and $3 and $2 and $3 transactions here and there, and that brought me literally 0.02 shares or 0.03 shares across the month of that challenge. Then I'm gonna scroll up. In February, I bought $6 of Nike. Then in March, $5 of Nike, and then in April, I earned another dividend, which went up to 15 cents. And then in May through June, I started to invest a little bit more than I normally would have, but that last transaction there brought me to 1 full share. So I'm gonna get out of this screen, and I want you to look at my investments, and then right beneath my investments it says shares owned. So you can see that the shares owned is 1.02. But notice where it says my investments, the difference between total invested here is $98.72, whereas in my activity it's showing $99. Let me pause for a bit because the fire truck is roaming through the streets. Okay, I'm back because it's getting distant now. So here it's showing $99, where on the other screen it's showing $98.72. Well, that's because the $99 is inclusive of those dividends that I actually got paid out. So take note of those differences when you are investing in companies as well. So overall, I did lose the $3.16. And that's because on Friday, which was yesterday, the stock market went down, or not the stock market, but Nike's stock went down by 7.62%. And then you'll see in this top right corner here, I have a total of $95.56 in my portfolio, which is obviously the difference between the total dollars invested, which is $98.72, minus the $3.16. So now that I have 1.02 shares, I'm actually pretty excited because if you notice, I was only getting cents, which Nike doesn't give you a full dollar for a dividend payout, which it's very close to $1, but not quite $1. I think it's 98 cents for their dividend payout. But anyway, I say that to say I'm actually happy that I own a full share, because the dividend payout will increase for me now that I own a full share. Earlier you just saw how I got 3 cents back in January, and then I think in April I got 15 cents. Well, that's because I earned fractional shares, and the dividends that you receive are pretty much aligned to the money that you put into the stock market, or the amount of shares that you own for that particular company. So if you own a full share, you shall receive that full dividend, no matter if the share price falls or rises. I think this is very important to note, because a lot of people think that if the share price falls, your dividend also falls, or if the share price rises, your dividend also rises. That's not the case. The case is the dividend is directly aligned to the amount of shares that you own, and the ownership of the shares is going to stay the same no matter if that share price rises or falls. The only time your dividend gets cut is when the company cuts their dividend payout or the schedule of the dividend payout, but you shouldn't have any worries about that. So right now I will earn one dividend payout, the full dividend payout, because I earned or owned one full share of Nike. So I know the beauty of Cash App is that you can get your foot into the stock market, get your foot into the door by just investing with fractional shares, but the goal here is to earn or own full shares. I want you all to make it a goal to own one full share, if not more, of every company that's in your portfolio, because you don't want to spread yourself too thin. Two, you also want to be able to earn the full dividend if the company that you invest in pays dividends, so that you're not just getting the petty change here and there. Now, granted, not every company pays out dollars or more. They do pay out cents with dividends, but you want to earn that full dividend, and in order to earn that full dividend, you'll need to earn or own the whole share. So you'll need to earn one share to earn the full dividend of however much money the company is paying out. So those are two reasons why you want to earn or own the full share, but another reason is also because you want to be able to grow your portfolio as much as possible. That's the goal here, is to grow your wealth. So earn or own as much shares as you can with companies that are doing well, and just don't spread your money too thin across too many investments without having any full share ownership in any of them. That's it for now, Wealth Babe. Don't forget to enter the 500 subscriber milestone giveaway. Again, the criteria to enter are listed in the description box below, but you can also check out the video that I mentioned in the cards earlier in this video if you want to hear me talk about the criteria to enter the $50 giveaway. Again, the winner will be announced on Monday, July 6th, so stick around for that video so that you can see if you won or not. And that's it. So as always, please remember that if you're not fully, truly, and totally committed to building wealth, then chances are you won't. Mwah.